Shubor Nakaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Uba Vincent H. Palau Badeu President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee baru Badeu MP ka Lok Sabha habakren chikilat pathai khubor mentagasngi halor ka khapot uloong balada ki Paidbah bat ki khapot kim hon ya ka jingpen bet khapot ulalong uba Kloi belet cha Supreme Court bat ki uloong ba balai ka sarkar ka hapen bor ki Paidbah tang na ka daw banyo ka wei ka yamala bat ka hotel la bandi shibun ki jaka ki puta bat haban ai shibun ki jaka Paidbah Uloong babarok ki beri ki basa hapo ki 6 schedule area ki dan la ki jong ki jingdan jing em bat kini barok kin sahab lejlun sha Assam. Uloong ka sarkar ka debentip ya ka history ban sngap ru ki Paidbah bat banwat benya Henry ka sarkar pat ka klem ne satya ya kita ban uloong babun ki jaka ki dei jong ka jala Meghalaya. Uloong balada ka seng kongres ka wan ha ka bor kanam ailat banwan ra ki slem khalai ba lani ki casino ha ka jala bat ka seng kanyale banchnai ki matrekam katkum ka jingkwa Paidbah.
Fortunate that Assam has given
now
us. Now also we are giving back to Assam. There also I've seen many people, they came to me, they met me, they want to go to Supreme Court. See, if the public in the border are not happy with it, why should you impose on it? Only to get one big building, only to get one hotel, and you have to sell so many lands, you have to let out so many of the public's property, because we are in the 6th schedule. All the people who live in the 6th schedule, they have got different facilities. All the land we have got in the 6th schedule, all the people have got Chettal tribe, and Chettal caste, so we live different facilities. Now all this will go back to Assam. Only they said in the border, there's certain populations which are more. So that is not the question. You have to know the history. You have to do a public hearing. You have to do a social impact. They have not done any social impact. No public hearing. They simply come notify and they went to the border and Assam will dictate them. It's totally a sellout. I think these also they have to come. They have to come back one day. Today, because they are in such a, they are ruling in such a position, they are in good terms with Assam and Meghalaya. So if you see, the loss will be the maximum of the prime property, the loss is for the Meghalaya.
So,
thank you.
But if the Congress gets into power, let's
101%. If Congress comes to power, we'll rethink on the border. If Congress comes to power, we'll never allow casino to come. I can guarantee you, if Congress comes to power, we'll do the policy, we'll form a policy, we'll frame a policy what the public wants. It's not what we want.
For securing 79% in the SSE examination
definitely will go to Supreme Court. I'm already on the verge of helping all those people going to Supreme Court. So I don't like the way which they have done with the border issue is very bad actually. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.